You know what? PMPY to millions. Let's break this down in the Captain spreadsheet. Now, how much you need to be a millionaire? And at 3.4 million, you need that many tokens for Prometheum Prodigy. That's right. Let's continue going down the line. Now, as the market cap goes up, at $76 million market cap, you're looking at that many PMPY in your wallet. 7 million at 15 cents, I believe. Is that 15 cents? Let me make sure that's right. Okay, as we continue here at 25 cents, 4 million PMPY to be a millionaire. Now, this is just estimated prices, so don't get it all too serious and personal. Just continue to accumulate. Yes. Okay, so more than $1 million, 4 million PMPY in your wallet at 25 cents, $128 million market cap. Let's continue here. Now, at $512 million market cap for PMPY Prometheum Prodigy, you're looking at 1 million tokens in your possession to be a millionaire. So start those Lambos up. I want a red one, blue one, and a gray one, and a pink one. Shh, don't tell nobody. And then another one here. Okay, $1 billion market cap for PMPY Bayside. I always wanted to do that. And you're looking at 500,000 PMPY in your possession, in your LBANK wallet. Yeah, I said that. So $2 projected price at $1 billion estimated market cap. That's right. Millions and PMPY can happen, but accumulate and believe, and we'll see. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video. Yes.